Welcome to Gamified EduTech, where learning meets fun. Today, we're thrilled to spotlight one of our exciting resources, Classroom Challenge Culture Jeopardy-Style Game. This digital tool, built in Google Sheets, brings the thrill of a Jeopardy game show to your classroom with a pop culture twist. Think movies, music, and trends that students love. It's packed with 25 engaging questions across 5 categories, making learning interactive and unforgettable. Let's jump into what it's all about. Available in our Gamified EduTech store, this resource is a fully functional Jeopardy-style game designed for Google Sheets. It dives into pop culture with categories like blockbuster films, chart-topping songs, and viral moments, complete with 25 questions ranging in difficulty and point values from 100 to 500. Students compete to answer questions like, which artist sang Shape of You? All while racking up points in a game show format. With a sleek game board and built-in interactivity, it's 25 questions that turn review time into a blast. What makes this resource stand out? First, it's interactive and engaging. Students tell the teacher or an appointed host their chosen category and point value. The host clicks the box to reveal the question, and the game unfolds, just like the real Jeopardy show, but with a pop culture flair that hooks them in. Second, it's ready to go as is, with 25 preset questions. Want to create your own? Our Classroom Challenge Google Sheets extension lets you build custom games, perfect for any subject. Third, it's no prep and versatile, with a scoring feature that lets the teacher or host specify 2 or more teams, or even set individual players' names for personalized tracking. It's ready for in-class team play, remote learning, or even a fun staff meeting icebreaker. This is gamified education at its best, from Gamified EduTech. Here's how it works. Open the Google Sheets file and launch the game board. 5 categories, 5 questions each. Assign teams or let students play solo. The teacher or host sets up the scoring by entering 2 or more team names or individual players' names. Students pick a category and point value by telling the host, who then clicks the box to reveal the question. Students submit their answer. If the student answers correctly, the host picks their team or name, so the system credits the score to their team or name. And once the host clicks back to the main board, the scores are accounted for automatically. The built-in design also tracks which questions have been used. It's perfect for middle school, high school, or even adult learners who love pop culture. Use it for a lively class review, a reward day activity, or a virtual game session. For custom games, check out our Classroom Challenge extension to craft your own. This resource comes with everything you need: the game board, 25 preloaded pop culture questions, and a scoring system for teams or individuals, all in an easy-to-use Google Sheets format. At Gamified EduTech, we're all about making learning a blast. Ready to bring this Jeopardy-style excitement to your students? Head to our Gamified EduTech store, link in the description below. Grab this resource and explore more ways to gamify your classroom. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this preview, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more from Gamified EduTech. Transform learning into a game show adventure. See you next time.